Hi guys, welcome to Acer Technical. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to lower the temperature of CPU. First of all, this is a requested tutorial. In this guide, we will explore an effective method to lower the CPU temperature on Acer laptop, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. As you know, overheating can lead to decreased performance, system instability, and potential hardware damage. Don't worry, by following these steps, you can keep your Acer laptop running cool and efficient. So, let's get started. Before we begin, please note very carefully. Accessing and modifying BIOS settings can be risky if you are not familiar with what you are doing, as it can affect your system stability and performance. However, if you are confident and understand the implications, you can try the following steps to lower the CPU temperature in your Acer laptop's BIOS. At first, let me show you what is the actual problem in my case. As you can see, this CPU achieves 80 to 90 degrees Celsius very quickly without heavy workload. And as you can see from Intel XQ's compact view, the recommended package temperature range 0 to 92 degrees Celsius. And also as you can see, the system temperature is very high. So I hope you can imagine what will happen during very heavy workload like rendering or processing or gaming. So for this reason, it is very important to cool the CPU temperature very quickly during very heavy workload like gaming and video editing. To reduce the CPU heat, we need to undervolt the CPU from BIOS. Here, I'll be demonstrate by using this Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 laptop's BIOS. Please note, the steps may vary depending on your laptop's model and BIOS version of your laptop. However, first, shut down your laptop completely. Now you will need to press the designated key to enter the Advanced BIOS Setup utility. Now press and hold down the function and tab key combination on your keyboard and press the power button to turn on your laptop. Once turned on, then immediately release function plus tab key and start by pressing BIOS access key. Typically this key displayed on the screen during the boot process. For Acer laptops, it's often F2 key, but it can vary, so check your laptop's manuals or look for an on-screen prompts. Once you are in the BIOS setup, you will see the state of CPU voltage, speed and temperature. As you can see, the CPU's normal operating temperature achieves 70 to 75 degrees Celsius without usage. I think it's a lot hotter than it need to be. And here the voltage configuration is 1300 mV and it seems correct as this is the desktop class CPU. What you think? Let me know in the comment section. Now take a note of the current voltage settings before making any changes. However, now look for an option like Advanced Settings or Advanced BIOS feature. Navigate to it using arrow key on your keyboard or using mouse pointer. Within the Advanced Settings menu, you should find CPU related settings. This might be labeled differently depending on your BIOS version, but it could be something like Power and Performance. Within the Power and Performance menu, you will find something like CPU Configuration or CPU Settings or CPU Power Management Control. Look for an option related to Turbo Boost. It may be labeled as Turbo Boost, Intel Turbo Boost or Boot Performance Mode or something similar. Once you find it, select it and change the settings to Disable or Not Turbo Performance or something similar. Also, you can turn off Turbo Mode option or you can set a custom voltage configuration by using Config TDP configuration option. I am not going to doing it right now because I will first apply this configuration to see if the temperature is under control or not. After disabling boot performance mode, navigate to the option to save your changes and exit the BIOS. This is typically done by pressing F10 key on the keyboard, but it may vary depending on your BIOS version. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and exit. Keep patience and allow your laptop to restart, and the changes you made in the BIOS should take effect. Now restart your laptop and enter the BIOS setup utility as you did before. Okay, as you can see, after making changes to boot performance mode, voltage values are decreased after disabling it. And also, as you can see, there are noticeable changes in CPU temperature section. As you can see, the CPU temperature has dropped by about 20 degrees Celsius. Now let me show you the CPU temperature by giving a heavier workload like video production. Okay, as you can see, after applying these settings, there is noticeable changes in CPU temperature section. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.